Leslie. I'm coming to you from sunny Southern California to do the demo for the dance Another Bar Song. Another one? Yes, it's in the words of the song. The song is by Shabuzi, and the real name of the song, the title of the song is Cowgirls. The amazing choreographers are Gil and Dustin Valcalder. It's a 32 count, 4-wall dance, beginner, a little fast, so don't forget to press that little cog at the bottom of the screen to slow the speed down should you need it. All right, so let's get started. Enjoy. We have a 32 count intro. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Let me see it. Got another bar song for you and my friends. Soon as that show's out, gotta take a chance. Look on the full song, thank you in advance. Meet me on the dance floor, 2 cents to the liquor. Girl, you found the right one. Now you see the bitch, treat her like a 95. Let me keep me grace. You don't know what you want. Girl, stand on that lane. We be at the bar till 6 in the morning. Throwing back shots like some mama alcoholics. Wild boys out there shooting the dog. I wanna see you dance. Baby, got something, you can make some serious shot. That bitch, she don't even know the days, man. Let me see it. Wild boys out there, I wanna see you dance. I wanna see you dance. Go ahead, pick it up. Wild boys out there, I wanna see you dance. Yeah, she's on the run. I'm trying to catch you. The best thing I ever seen, I had to ask you. Do you know what's even when I drop the Tennessee? Girl, if you like this song, let's put it on repeat. Hit the dance floor, 2 cents to the liquor. Girl, you found the right one. Shawty said dance, we both got a lot of crowd. Play 10 things, stepping, but you know that we the best. We be in the bar till 6 in the morning. Throwing back shots like some mama alcoholics. Wild boys out there shooting the dog. I wanna see you dance. Baby, got something, need to make some serious shot. That bitch, you don't even know the days, man. Let me see it. Wild boys out there, I wanna see you dance. Go ahead, I wanna see you dance. Go ahead, pick it up. Wild boys out there, I wanna see you dance. We be at the bar till 6 in the morning. Throwing back shots like some hard alcoholics. Wild boys out there shooting my dog. Yeah, man, I wanna see you dance.
Woo, woo.
Baby, got something, need to make some serious shot. That bitch, you don't even know the days, man. Let me see it. Wild boys out there, I wanna see you dance. I wanna see you dance. Go ahead, pick it up. Wild boys out there, I wanna see you dance.
There we go. Let me turn the music off. All right, I hope you enjoyed that. I'm now going to make the tutorial to it, but if you did enjoy this video, please subscribe. I've just started to do this. I'm having fun, and like, share, and I'll see you soon.